Hello, I'm Seb, and today I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to find a CV Genius template and download it for free onto your computer. First, if you haven't already, go to cvgenius.com and select CV templates from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find a CV template design that you like. You'll find several different styles here, so take a minute to think about what kind of job you're applying for and what kind of CV the employer is going to expect. I'm going to select one of my favorites because it's clean, modern, and super easy to edit. Click on the CV to enlarge it, pick a color you like, and select download to send it straight to your computer. Unzip the file, and there you go. You've now got a fully formatted CV that you can start personalizing with your information. So, we can change the name, edit the contact information, and start putting in work experience. And if you need help writing your CV, we actually have a full guide on how to write a CV. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you're done editing, remember to save your finished CV as a PDF so it looks exactly the same to the employer, regardless of what operating system they're using. And that's all. Best of luck from CV Genius, and we'll see you in our next video.